Did you know you can trick your brain into wanting to work out? It's 1 week into your New Year's resolution. How are we doing? Is your energy still up? Are you still feeling excited? Or is the motivation starting to die out? If it is, that's normal. I told you a million times motivation is temporary, so don't feel bad, don't panic. Stay disciplined, you started for a reason. But if you're starting to lose the groove and you really want to get back into it, try these tips to trick your brain into wanting to work out. 1. Change into your workout clothes. You're basically telling your brain that you're in uniform and it's time to work. You're also changing the tone and mood. If you were in your pajamas, of course you're gonna feel comfortable, lazy. Workout clothes means it's time to grind and your brain will understand that. 2. Just start moving. Point of no return, once you're out the door or you're starting to do your warm-up, your endorphins are gonna kick in, your blood is gonna start flowing, you're pumping oxygen into your lungs. You're gonna start feeling more energized, your brain is gonna love it. You just need to get the engine started and get those wheels rolling. You'll feel great as soon as you start. 3. Trick your brain and plan shorter workouts. If you're planning on skipping because you're dreading the thought of training for an hour, then don't plan for 1 hour. Plan for a 15-minute workout. I guarantee that almost every single time that you plan a short workout, you'll go longer than what you planned for, rather than planning something super long and cutting it short and feeling demotivated, or worse, not even going because it's too intimidating. 4. Create a workout playlist. Music is more powerful than you think. Whatever music that gets you hype, gets you excited, happy, line it up and start playing it as soon as you start changing into your gym clothes. Music is a powerful tool. Use it. 5. You're gonna hear me say this in every list because it's the most important. Close your eyes and think of your why. When you're not feeling motivated, when you want to skip on your workout, just think of why you started in the first place. Why did you sign up to the gym? Why did you hire a coach? Why did you buy that workout plan? Why did you start your journey in the first place? Is your goal to become a better version of yourself? Do you want a better quality of life? Are you doing this for your family? Are you doing this for your independence? You have a goal, an activity you want to do, an illness, an injury that you want to improve. I can't tell you what yours is. I have mine. Whenever you're feeling demotivated, just close your eyes and think about it. If you wrote it down, pull it out, look at it, and keep fighting for your why. Hope this helps. If you're still going strong, so proud of you. Keep going. We just started.